Welcome to Sharingtools. In this tutorial, we will guide you through using the Real Phone Management System and activating Hybrid Pro for efficient Instagram automation. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Real Phone Management. First, log into your Sharingtools membership. Once logged in, navigate to the left menu and find the option labeled Real Phone Management. Click on it to access the Real Phone Automation Management page. Here, you will see a list of assigned phones under your account. Each phone represents a real Android device connected to your system. Step 2. Adding an account to a phone. Select the phone where you want to add your account. Click the Add Account button next to the device. A pop-up will appear displaying your available accounts. Choose the account you wish to add and click the Add Account button. Once the account is successfully added, you will see it listed under the assigned accounts for that device. Step 3. Logging into Instagram on the phone. Now, click on the View Screen button to access the live phone display. This is a real Android device. You will see the standard Instagram app interface. Proceed to log in using your account credentials. Important points to follow. Approve necessary permissions like location access if prompted. Reject the option to sync contacts for security and privacy. Ensure that the timeline is loading properly on the screen. At this point, your account is fully logged in and ready for automation. Step 4. Activating Hybrid Pro automation. Now, let's move on to activating Hybrid Pro for automation. Set your target audience by defining who you want to interact with. Enable actions such as follows, likes, comments, and direct messaging. Add custom text for direct messages, comments, and answer responses. Leave the custom delay section at default, as the system optimizes delay timing automatically. Step 5. Optimizing Hybrid Pro for trust scores. For better performance and safety, use the following trust score recommendations. For low trust score accounts, run actions for 3 to 6 hours per day. Keep follow, unfollow, comment, and direct message actions under 100 per day. For high trust score accounts, run actions for 6 to 12 hours per day. Maintain natural engagement patterns. Other settings remain at default. For story likes and views, we recommend using the 1:1 plus M algorithm, with the first story to like enabled for optimal results. Step 6. Setting up story comments with social API. If you are using story comments, do not forget to add your X-RapidAPI key from Rapid API for social API integration. This is required to authenticate your requests and ensure that story comments are processed correctly. And that's it. Your account is now fully set up on Real Phone Farm with Hybrid Pro activated for efficient Instagram automation. For best results, monitor performance regularly and adjust your settings based on account behavior. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to subscribe for more automation tips and updates.